everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So I decided to come up with another makeup look, super easy makeup look suitable for this autumn or winter season, because I think, you know, when it's dark outside, when it's colder outside, you kind of want to go with the darker colors and all, or it's just me. So today I thought I'm gonna create like a super easy smoky brownish kind of eye look with a gold eyeliner. It might sound a bit difficult, but it's not. The smoky eye look is the easiest eye makeup look you could ever go for. So I think without any further ado, we should start. So I'm gonna quickly prime my eyelids as I haven't done that yet. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of the concealer. I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define in a C3. And then setting up with a Revolution Pro Pressed Finishing Powder. For today's look, I decided to go with a Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, as I think all these colors are more of a like autumn fall related colors, and I haven't been using this palette too much, so I think we're just gonna use these two colors as a transition color and then this darker to smoke out the look. So I'm just taking the Essential Crease Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna start from this color in here. Just gonna take a tiny bit and go slightly bit higher than my creases, so it's gonna be our transition color. So I'm just blending this color out and dragging it slightly bit higher kinda. Alright, so let's move on with another color. So I'm gonna take of this Summer Yam color and place exactly where my crease is and blend together with this color that we just applied this puree. So I'm taking this darker brown color called Charmed, I'm sure. I've been using this recently as my eyeliner, that's why it's a little bit wet, but it haven't damaged the color or anything, so don't worry about it. You can always feel free to wet your brush if you feel the need for it. So what I'm doing, I'm basically packing the color closer to the lash line and later just blending the color to the crease. So I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend the edges, especially in the inner eye corner and the outer corner. And that's us done with the eyeshadow. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. If you feel like you don't want an eyeliner, you could just leave it here. I'm gonna use one, so I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution one. This one is actually really good because it's super easy to use, as it is a pen rather than the liquid eyeliner. So always start from the outer corners. So black eyeliner is on, let's move on with the gold one. So for the gold eyeliner, I'm gonna use Kiko Milano Super Color Liner in gold. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna outline this black eyeliner. So just gonna go on the top of it. And we are pretty much complete with our eye makeup look. If you don't have lash extensions like I do, this would be the point when you would apply your falsies or your mascara. It's completely up to you, whichever way you prefer. I have my lash extensions, so I don't need anything else. We're just gonna smudge a little bit of a color on the lower lash line and apply a little bit mascara later on. But first, I'm gonna go in and apply the foundation, set it up, contour and all, and then gonna come back to the eyes. For my foundation today, actually, I'm gonna be testing out a brand new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define one. It's still closed, I haven't opened it yet, and I'm actually thinking to film a separate review video for this. So I think the foundation review video will be already up on my channel, and this makeup look I'm gonna post afterwards. So if you're wanting to check my full honest review on this, because I'm gonna be super honest as I always am, so hopefully it's good, because we're gonna be finishing this makeup look with this foundation, so see it soon. But I'm gonna wear it for like 8 hours or so to see if it's really good or not really. So I'm gonna jump in quickly to that video and film it and gonna get back to you with my face done, and we can finish off the eye makeup look and add some lippy and our makeup look will be complete. So see you soon. So the foundation is on. As I mentioned, I did film the review video for it. It's already on my channel so you guys can check it out. I'm not gonna spill the beans and say anything what I think about it so far, but one thing is that I haven't done the best job by picking a perfect shade for me. So this one is slightly bit lighter than my skin tone, so I tried to bronze it up a bit and all, but it's workable. But anyways, let's finish off our eye makeup look. As I mentioned, this is super easy eye makeup look as a scene, especially if you thinking not to apply the eyeliner and just stick with a smudge smoky eye. So for the lower line, we're just gonna smudge these two colors. So I think I'm gonna start with a puree. So I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my lower lash line, closer to the lash line, and then just blend it to the inner and outer corner. And a little bit of a summer yum, once again in the middle, and smudge it to the inner outer corner. So we're just gonna brighten the inner eye corner a little bit. So for that, I'm gonna go with the Nectar. The eyeshadow part is complete. Let's apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna go with a Tarte Lifted Mascara, which is dark brown rather than black. And the last but not least part is to apply some lippy. So I think because, you know, it's fall, we kind of want to go for bolder lips. So I'm going to go with NYX Cosmic Metals in color Galactic Love, which is a shimmery lippy. I think for this makeup look you can always use a nude lippy or even the red one or whatever color you feel like. So what do you guys think of this eye makeup look? Because I honestly loving it. I feel this is like proper full colors. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick tutorial with quick 5-minute full inspired eye makeup look. Honestly, super easy to recreate as smoky eye is I think the easiest makeup look to create in general. And if you don't feel like applying any eyeliner, don't go with that if you feel like it's too difficult or anything. But I do love the eyeliner, so that's why I went with it. If you enjoyed watching this quick 5-minute makeup tutorial, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Do you prefer watching more of the makeup tutorials or reviews? Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like watching more, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye! Ciao for now.